Howdy guys, we're back in the woods again, and today I'm going to show you how to make some tools that will make your life a little bit easier when you're wild camping. And all we need is a knife and a saw. We're not cutting all the way through this, we're just cutting a ring around it. It's only a cheap knife, so I don't mind hitting it with a rock. And that is a mallet. So we don't have to hit a knife with a brick anymore. It's tool number 1, which we will need to make tool number 2. Now for the next tool, we need a stick about this big, and we're going to split this down the middle using our new mallet. So we split the stick right down the middle, as straight as we can. Then we need a small stick about this size. Then we need some string or some cordage. We'll pop this in here. And I've only got some roots today, I have no cordage with me. Take that out for a moment so we get started. We tie off the end. Where's my stick? And this guy goes back in here. We need some flexibility here so we can squeeze this. Can you guess what it is? Yeah. So we're going to carve a little bit off here so it bends easier. Ooh, here we go. Cordage. Now I like to put a bit more cordage to stop this falling out. Here we go. So it just hooks over top here. That'll hold it in place. Now we have, pick up the hot stones, move the logs around, no more burning your hand. Just tidy these off. And that's tool number 2. Next tool, another small stick, about 1 inch thick. This is what we're looking for, this size. This is going to be a very simple and fast way to make a spoon. There's no fancy carving. Here's my hammer. Down the middle. So if you've gone camping and you forgot your spoon, you can make a new one in probably 2 minutes. So we split that stick, so we're left with this. 2 grooves. Split it down the handle. Now we have a miniature shovel. No, I mean a spoon. But it took 2 minutes to make, so if you forgot your cutlery, it's no big deal. Now I'm going to show you how to make a little fork. Stick this size. So we have this, and we're going to split this. Just enough to form a gap. And then just like our thongs, we're going to put a little wedge in there. And then just carve down the outsides till we have a point. There we go. A primitive spoon and fork. And yes, you can do the same with a knife. Just a little buttering knife. So there you go, guys. They're the tools I use and make regularly. Especially this one, I love this one. No more burnt fingers. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, guys.